Pero ang iba, ano, ito po yung outfit natin. Medyo tawag nito. Ano ba? Ano bang? Di kayo siya ingon nga, hindi siya ingon nga tugnaw, di siya ingon sad nga init. Kasakto-sakto lang ba? Basta kapag ano ba, kapag curly ang imong buhok, no? Kay kuan imong nawong ba marag dako atong nawong diri sa kuan. Why it is like if your hair is curly, like your face is
Wider?
wider,
Yeah, I know.
right? Then if you if you ano ba, if you straight your hair, it's like your face is straight, right?
Yeah, I know.
So magicable. Magicable. Yeah. Naobserbahan, na-observe na ko. Yun na lang ito. Isod ba't sa katunay kalisod. Kasama ko si Inday Baduday. Siya ang kanino. Kasi sinamahan ko siya. Mayroon daw akong gagawin sa bahay. Dami akong gagawin. Pero wala man siya hindi siya pumasok. Hindi siya pumapasok sa
Sorry, I just got scared of that girl.
hindi siya pumapasok sa tawag nito sa school. Kaya ay then yung car na to ay tumitingin sa atin. The truck is watching us. Watching us. They're looking and said, who's that yung ang ganda ganda doon. Dito lang tayo sa akin. Very dito yung yung the road is very tiny, narrow. That's why like I'll bit scared.
I hate driving on this road.
You should go to the other side.
Well, I have to take a left.
I know, but no, not this area ba? The one in the what do you call that? Thank you, Lord. Busog si Intay Baditay, di kaon og Dunkin Donut. Busog. If you what do you call that verb? In the Philippines, it's not bad manners though. But in here in America, kung mag-look up ka ba, bad manners na nila. Pero in the Philippines, it's not. We call it busog. Busog means like kung sa Bisaya busog. Busog ba kayong full ka ba? Busog na ka. Nakagkaon. Nabusog sa kuwan. You my world, you are my mind and time. You my heart, you everything and time. If you love gives us to me, and in the ends of your heart for me. Ang mga stress, kanta-kantahan na lang nato. Kaya nga kung akong mununakong radyo pugi, o radyo akong kasing-kasing, marang lugit, radyo na itinulog. Kaya kanta-kantahan nato, patyo na to ang kanangkuan, patyo na nato ang mga stress. Okay. Kakapoy kay si paminaw ning mga daraong flower.
Can you stop
Sorry,
every
baby.
time?
Oh, sorry, baby, because I was what you that. I don't know why. What's that thing?
Huh?
What
It
is
just tells me if like a car is gonna stop in front
Oh.
of me quickly.
Wow, I like that. Wow, that's very, very good, my car. My car, your car.
It's telling me if I'm approaching a car too fast. It's not.
Okay, you should let me know that one because you know
I thought
I
you
didn't
already
even
knew
no,
that.
I didn't even know all this thing. You know, it's freaking high tech. Mine is my car. My mommy's car is very cheap. This is mahal. Your mommy's car is cheap. It's chichi chichi bang bang. Where are you? When I get rich, I will kuan. Ay, maganda bang nung sa tawagan na. Sorry, baby.
And people like
Ha?
who are so annoying.
I know, like, it's scary, but like, if someone's in the back, kabuhion ko.
They're hazards like we're on and they're like slowing down.
Alam niyo, kaya hindi ako makadrive sa malayo kasi kapag mag-drive ako ng malayo, kabuhion ko. Kasukaon ko ba? Okay lang makadrive ko ganyan. Door-to-door, di kayo na yung highway. Kaya kung inani, nasamutan na nga, hayag kayo gani, ang ako. Kasukaon ko nga, kabuhion ko nga, mura kong malipong.